in the design world, in the engineering world, we make the perhaps incorrectly, but we assume that a piece of steel is a piece of steel, right? A weld is a weld. The dimensions of that steel are correct. There's certain inherent assumptions in that process, but we know firsthand on what we see that a weld is not a weld. A weld is a weld, and has to be done according to the codes and standards, AWSD 1.1 in our case, and it has to be done correctly. The same with fabrication of any component. If the holes are off, if there's some deviations and they're not taken into account in design, then it's not going to perform the way that it was designed and it was intended to, and that could be a problem. So the way that we can get around that, or the way that we can handle that, is by inspection. We need to verify. Trust but verify. We need to verify that the components that we've designed, or that any engineer has designed, is being fabricated correctly. And if you're not watching that process, if you're not verifying that process yourself or through another party, things can go awry. And we've seen that. And as you say, all of the the majority of the issues that we see in the industry are because of this issue with fabrication.